Russia's spring offensive stalls, but Ukraine hits back hard, targeting critical oil terminals. This could shift the war's energy battleground and global prices right now. In early 2026, Russia initiated a possible spring offensive aimed at capturing remaining parts of the eastern Donbas region. Despite persistent efforts over 4 years, Russia has been unable to fully conquer this territory. The recent offensive has similarly produced no significant territorial gains, highlighting the ongoing stalemate on the ground. Ukrainian President Zelensky remains firm in refusing Russia's demand that Ukraine cede the remaining Donbas areas, signaling the conflict's continued deadlock. Over the past month, Ukraine has launched its heaviest drone attacks since the war began, focusing on Russia's oil export facilities in Baltic ports such as Ust-Luga and Primorsk. These strikes are designed to cripple Russia's energy export capabilities, directly targeting critical infrastructure. This escalation demonstrates Kyiv's strategic shift to weaken Russia's economic lifelines, aiming to pressure Moscow by undermining its oil revenues during a period of military stalemate. Despite Ukraine's tactical gains in targeting Russian oil infrastructure, its Western allies, including the U.S., have expressed concerns about the broader economic fallout. President Zelensky revealed that allies asked him to scale back these attacks as global energy prices surge, partly due to conflicts like the Iran war. This diplomatic tension highlights the difficult balance Ukraine faces between military objectives and international economic stability. President Zelensky also cautioned that Ukraine faces a growing deficit in missile supplies. The U.S., a key arms provider, is currently diverting significant resources to its conflict with Iran, limiting the flow of munitions to Kyiv. This shortage risks slowing Ukraine's ability to maintain pressure on Russian targets, including critical infrastructure attacks. The timing raises urgent questions about the sustainability of Ukraine's current military strategy.